Okay, we're shooting our KAHR 40, and we're using some SinterFire special ammunition for the range. I was a little shocked. I shot some at a frying pan and it did blow a hole in it. So we'll try aiming through the video. And she's empty. Boy, sure cycle's nice. Well, frankly, I can't tell what the hell that stuff is doing. I did fire at the plate. These two holes right here, and it did shoot through the aluminum. Was going to bring a gallon jug out here full of water and see how that worked, but anyway, this thing, I am happy with this shooting light bullets. Heavy bullets, it's a problem, child. Slide stop locks up during the middle of a, when it ain't empty yet. So, but these light bullets just seem to shoot like a charm. So those are SinterFire. Okay, like here, and we're shooting their little KAHR compact micro 40 with these SinterFires. These are made out of some kind of compressed copper, I think. It's 105 grain, and they're kind of got a little start of a hollow point on there. I was a little shocked it should shoot through an aluminum fry pan. Of course, it's a Walmart fry pan made in China. Apologize for the video, but we're doing this on our cell phone. And let's see, I want to grab another magazine. I'm using this. It's a gorgeous day near Spearville. Okay, chamber's nice. Switch hands so we can shoot. And I'll just use the video to. I'll take a look at that frying pan there on the ground. Okay, that's pretty. Gotta have a good background to aim through the video. Well, it looks like it disintegrated on the post. And of course it does rip through the can pretty good. Ooh. Well, maybe these are starting to cut loose. So that's the exit side. And that's going in. There's a nice, neat little hole there. So, I don't know, maybe those things work. I forgot to bring a gallon jug, so we're going to try that. Anyway, I love my little compact micro. It's just, like I say, it's a little touchy with heavy bullets. It just rocks the gun a little bit too hard.